Yeah. Can I? Baby? Can I?
What's good, YouTube? Back with another one, man. We on another trail adventure. We're gonna call this series a trail adventure. On the hunt for a pretty good sized catfish. Anything 10, 15, 20 pounds. 20 pounds I'm happy with, man. I'm more than happy. We're gonna see what my local grocery store have in stock as some bait or whatever. We're gonna see what's up, what they got, man. Let's go. Man, we made it to the grocery store / gas station. My local one. Let's see what they got up in there, man. We have made it to the fridge. We got shrimp, baby shad. Not bad. We got some worms. The magic bait. Wildcat blood bait. I think we're just gonna stick with the worms. Make sure y'all check y'all worms, man. When y'all get some worms, make sure y'all check y'all worms. Good to go. Yeah, it's a pretty nice gas station, though. Then you got a random bait fridge right there. Pretty sweet. So the initial spot I wanted to go to, it wasn't gonna work today. It was a little risky to get there, you know, like somebody land, but no risk, no reward. But nah, I was just playing. But that's why it wasn't gonna work. So we had a new spot, like more common spot around here or whatever. But we finna see, man. Hopefully we get some luck still. Yo, what's up? It is real muddy down there. The river's still kind of up a lot, so it's barely going down or whatever, and it's real muddy down there. So I ain't gonna be able to go down there with the camera, but I'm gonna have it on my GoPro or my iPhone or whatever. But for bait, we got worms. Hopefully catch some cut bait again. Well, we didn't last time, but hopefully this time we do, and we cut some bait up. I got this Wally World shad cut up, or whatever this is. I don't know what this is, skipjack or whatever, I don't know. But some cut bait. And we got some shrimp from HEB. Anyone wondering, yes, it's from the USA. Can you see that? Product of USA. Anyways, yeah, man, we're gonna see what we can do. Let's bait our hooks up, man. Let's see what we can do. Move, you're interrupting my presentation. First one of the day. Damn! Why are you kissing the fish, Ollie? It has slowed down. We only caught one fish so far. Got me a little Lunchable because I'm hungry. It's only been about an hour, but I'm already hungry. Is that bad? No, right? About the same size as the first one, second one. Another channel on the shrimp. Channel number 3, fish number 3. We've been missing some, I ain't gonna lie, but probably these being sneaky. Straight channels again. Hopefully we get a big blue or something. I ain't gonna be out here too long, so we don't get none today. It's all good, you know. You already know we're gonna come back out here. We ain't gonna give up. We still on that hunt for that 20 plus pounder, man. We're gonna get it one day, man. Number 3 channel. Probably finna wrap it up, y'all. It's about 4:30 now. It's really slowed down. Me and my dog finna roll out. She ready to go, so finna head out, man, and I'm hungry. So that's why we're leaving, to be honest. But it slowed down pretty much, but we finna get a release on these 3 channel. I was thinking about keeping them, but maybe next time. Hopefully go fishing later on this weekend, or maybe next week. Hopefully catch that monster soon. Unfortunately, we did not get it today again, but hey, another day, another fishing trip. Holla at y'all, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in. YouTube fam, what's good? We back with another one with y'all. We gonna go on another trail adventure. We after these monsters, man. We have not landed one yet. We are trying our best. We going out there. It's about 5 in the morning this morning. I got 2 buddies finna go with us. I think 2 finna roll out around 5. We finna see what we could do. Hopefully we get lucky today. See y'all out there. We finna load up. You already know the deal. We finna get the bait. Finna load the truck up. Finna get rolling, man. See y'all out there. Hopefully we land this monster, man. Also on the next video, should we do a catch and cook? I got me a little fish fryer. Hey, we can do it in the backyard. We catch this couple river catfish, do a catch and cook. Let me know. Got us some bluegill. Crawfish jelly, I ain't never heard of that. Oh, I ain't never heard of that. All right, y'all, we using squid bites. garlic worms, a little bit of leftover shrimp. That's some Kool-Aid chicken. We're gonna see what we can hit on today.
That whole trolling will come right off.
This little channel, baby. Fish on. Yeah, I think so. Oh. First keeper of the day.
Yeah.
Got another channel cat. Didn't have the camera rolling, but got another channel.
Oh shit, Diggle, you got a monster. Bagging them. Dude, that day we had a bunch of fucking fish. Big ass fish too. Where'd y'all go? Here?
We unfortunately did not do too good. It's the weekend, but it's all good. We're gonna get them next time. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it for the video today. Like I said earlier, we didn't get the big one today, but we're gonna get them next time. We ain't giving up. We still on that hunt. Appreciate y'all coming on this trail adventure with me. That's what we're gonna call this little series after the monster catfish. But appreciate y'all tuning in if y'all did. But we're gonna get them next time. Y'all remember, stay safe, go fishing, and remember, man, stay true. See y'all in the next one.
I can't believe we made it this far. I can't believe we made it this far. I can't believe we